I am Angus Forsyth. I'm a senior consultant with Messrs. Stevenson Wong & Co., a 40-lawyer firm in Hong Kong, where I've practiced for more than 40 years. Hong Kong has no across-the-board advertising legislation. It's a self-regulated advertising function in many ways. All advertisers and agencies have to belong to an organization called the 4As, which is the Advertisers International Organization, and it has rules which are very strictly applied for major advertising companies. There are, however, a whole raft of legislative restrictions on advertising which govern particular aspects of life, such as food advertisements, medical advertisements. The professions are regulated in terms of the way they advertise themselves. And there are a number of other localized legislative pronouncements. But apart from that, Hong Kong is a relatively free market, and self-discipline is important. The big exception is broadcasting. Broadcasting, whether it's television, which has a specific set of legislated regulations, or whether it's radio, which has a similar set of legislated regulations, must be observed by law. Another issue which is relevant is personal data privacy, and advertisers should watch out, be careful, and not infringe against the Personal Data Privacy Ordinance, which has recently been augmented in terms of increased criminal activity, criminal liability, leading to substantial fines of up to Hong Kong dollars 1 million for an offence, and possible alternative of jail sentencing. So that is a very cautionary object lesson which advertisers should follow. But apart from that, the position is relatively free and relatively generous in terms of what advertising is permitted. I don't think I can add a great deal to that because we are in a Hong Kong function with as little regulation as possible, and on the whole, the self-disciplining of the profession is well operational and well respected. I think that is basically the way to summarize that I would go forward. Thank you.